So we have one more kind of problems under logarithmic differentiation we have to discuss. Before we take up those problems, we have one important formula in connection with upcoming problems. So write as a note or remark, whatever you can write. So write as a note. If y equals to u to the power of v, where understandably u and v are functions of x, where u comma v are functions of x. So for this kind of problems, we shall make one shortcut method formula to find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. So let's take given function y equal to u power v, call 1. Next step, taking logarithms on both sides, log y equals to log of u power v or log y equals to log u power v means v log u by logarithm theorems. Now on differentiating with respect to x, so let's differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Left side 1 by y into dy by dx, right side compulsorily using product rule, first function v into the derivative of log u is 1 by u into u dash plus second function log u into differentiation of v is v dash. Further, y can be cross multiplied. On cross multiplication of y, dy by dx equals to y into bracket y into bracket v by u multiplied by u dash or du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. Now replacing value of y, so finally dy dx of y means u raised to v is equals to y means u raised to v in the bracket v divided by u into du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. So this will be a formula to calculate especially the differentiation of function to the power of function. So it is just like shortcut method formula applied to calculate the derivative of u raised to v, where u and v are functions of x. In the coming problems, we are going to use this formula rather than earlier method of applying log on both sides. Write one more note. This is first note. Second note. Note number 2. If y defined by, or you may take it as given by, if y defined by y equals to fx to the power of gx plus or minus hx to the power of rx, etc. So whenever our function y defined by function to the power of function, maybe plus or minus function to the power of function, and so on, in such cases, logarithms not to be applied or logarithms not to be taken. In such cases, you need not take logarithms because we don't have for such expression log formula. Since log m plus n never equals to log m plus log n. So because of we don't have such a logarithm rule, in this kind of function arrangement, you can't apply logarithms on both sides. Means never apply log. Even though we have function to the power function, but you can't apply log because we have sum of function to the power of function expressions, and we don't have such kind of logarithm rules. That's why don't apply logarithm for this kind of expressions. However, so differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides and use the formula. So differentiate both sides and use the formula. The formula just we know it in 5 minutes back. Use the formula, that is d by dx of u raised to v equals to u raised to v multiplied by, in the bracket, v by u what that formula just we had. v by u into u dash plus log u into v dash. So use this formula after applying differentiation on both sides. So let's continue problems based on this type. So examples, continuation under logarithmic differentiation, but in these examples, in coming examples, you need not apply logarithms. Use this formula directly. Right, the problem's continuation. Find the dy by dx. Yes, example continuation. Find dy by dx if. Find dy by dx if y equals to x to the power sin x plus find dy by dx if y equal to x to the power sin x plus cos x to the power of x. Solution. First write the given equation. Given equation is y equal to x to the power sin x plus cos x to the power of x. And just now we have seen in the form of note, for this kind of problems, logarithms never be implemented. Don't take log on both sides. Whenever we have sum of two or more functions, directly differentiate and use that shortcut method formula of differentiation of u to the power of v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Left side dy by dx, right side first of all sum rule dy dx of x to the power sin x plus dy dx of cos x to the power of x. Now let us use the formula. The formula is d by dx of u raised to v equals to u raised to v into bracket v by u into u dash plus log u into v dash, where u dash, v dash stands for differentiation of u, differentiation of v respectively. Here u means x, v means sin x. Here u cos x, v is x. So let's use that formula in these two occasions. Right side, x to the power sin x. You see that formula and go on writing according to that. V divided by u means, what is u? X. V sin x. So we get sin x divided by x into u dash. U dash means differentiation of x plus log u means log x into differentiation of v, that is differentiation of sin x. Since by using this formula, differentiation of u power v formula is u power v into bracket v by u, u dash plus log u into v dash, plus still we have another term. Here also applies same formula. U means cos x, v means x. So answer cos x to the power of x in the bracket v by u becomes x divided by cos x into u dash means derivative of cos x plus log of u means log of cos x into differentiation of x. Hence dy by dx equals to x to the power sin x into bracket sin x divided by x. At the same time differentiation of x is 1. That 1 is neglected, which becomes sin x divided by x plus log x multiplied by the differentiation of sin x is cos x. That means it will be log x multiplied by cos x. Plus cos x to the power of x multiplied in the bracket x divided by cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. That means what it become, sin x divided by cos x total become tan x, means minus of x into tan x plus log cos x into differentiation of x is 1, means it is just log cos x into 1 neglected. So that's the final answer. In this particular step, differentiation of cos x, minus sin x, and minus sin x divided by cos x will become minus of tan x. That's what written there. Next problem. Next problem. Find dy by dx if. Find dy by dx if find dy by dx if y equals to x to the power of log x plus log x to the power of x. That's a given function, and we are asking to find dy by dx. Solution. First write given equation at again. Consider given problem, call 1. Don't apply logarithms. That's a very important point to be noted here for this kind of problems. Logarithms never be taken because of sum or difference of two functions we have. But we can directly differentiate just now noted formula using that. Write one word that differentiating one with respect to x. On differentiating one with respect to x, left hand side dy by dx, right hand side both terms must be get differentiated. First term differentiation of x to the power log x plus second term differentiation of log x to the power of x. Now for these two expressions we apply the formula what just now we have seen using the formula or using the relation using dy dx of u power v, that is equals to u power v multiplied by v divided by u into u dash plus log u into v dash. So let's use this formula. And you try to understand correctly what is u, what is v here, u, x, v log x, here u log x, v is x. So let's apply this formula two times. Right hand side we get now x to the power log x multiplied in the bracket v divided by u means log x divided by x into u dash means differentiation of x plus log u means log x into v dash means differentiation of v means log x. Plus here also using same formula u power v becomes log x to the power of x into bracket v by u means x divided by log x into u dash. U dash means differentiation of log x plus log u means log of log x, because u is log x multiplied by v dash, I mean differentiation of x Notice that this formula we applied twice, here as well as here. Finally, x to the power log x multiplied in the bracket, since the differentiation of x is 1 into anything is same thing, which becomes log x divided by x. Here the differentiation of log x will be 1 by x. That means total becomes log x by x. Log x divided by x plus log x to the power of x multiplied by x divided by log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log of log x into differentiation of x is 1. One can be omitted, neglected. One more step can be prolonged, continued. Here x will cancel out, whereas here log x by x plus log x by x will become double of log x by x, that is 2 log x by x. So finally, dy by dx will be equals to x to the power log x multiplied by 2 log x by x plus log x to the power of x multiplied by, here x has been cancelled, left is 1 by log x plus log of log x that's the final answer. You can realize the use of this formula, it's very simple, it makes very simple this kind of problems. Even in the earlier problems also this formula can be used, no wrong with that. But for this kind of problems, present what we are solving, this formula is compulsory. Next problem. If y equals to, so next question, if y equals to if y is equals to sine inverse x to the power of x minus x to the power of x, sine inverse x power x minus x power x, then find y dash or dy by dx. Solution. Consider given problem yet again. Consider or rewrite once again given problem. What is given problem? Sine inverse x power x minus x power x, call 1. But more importantly, for this kind of problems, logarithms never be taken. Don't take logarithms, it will become completely foolishness, because we don't have log theorem such as log m plus n, log m minus n. There is no such rules of logarithm. That's why you can't take logarithms. If there were a single function, then definitely logarithms can be taken. But now, in the present step, logarithms never be taken, because we don't have such a logarithm theorems. However, we can directly differentiate. Now write differentiating one with respect to x. Left side dy by dx, right side sum root first term derivative of sin inverse x to the power of x minus second term differentiation of x to the power of x. So let's use the formula. Using d by dx of u power v, that is defined by u power v into bracket v by u multiplied by u dash plus log u multiplied by v dash. And in their individual cases, you try to understand what is u, what is v correctly. Here u sin inverse x, v x. Here both u and v are x together. So let's apply this formula 2 times. What we get is that sin inverse x to the power of x in the bracket v divided by u. What is v? X. U sin inverse of x into u dash means differentiation of sin inverse of x. Plus log u, that is log of sin inverse of x into v dash means differentiation of x. Not yet over. This formula we applied for the first term. Similarly for the second term also using same formula. X to the power of x into bracket x divided by x, because here u and v are same, into u dash means differentiation of x plus log u, that becomes log x into v dash means differentiation of x. Further steps, sin inverse x to the power of x. With a little advanced thinking, differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So total becomes x divided by square root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x. Plus log sin inverse x into differentiation of x is 1. That means it becomes only log sin inverse x. Minus x to the power of x into bracket xx cancels, differentiation of x 1 plus log x into differentiation of x is 1, neglected, that is the final result. Next problem under this type. Find dy by dx if dy by dx if y equals to x plus 1 by x to the power of x plus 1 by x to the power of x plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Solution. Consider yet again given problem. Let's write given function and call it as 1. But more importantly, don't apply logarithms. That's very, very important. Don't apply logarithms. Differentiating 1 on both sides. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to x on both sides, dy by dx equals to right hand side dy dx of bracket x plus 1 by x to the power of x plus dy dx of x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. Now let's use the formula. Using the formula. What formula is there? The formula is namely dy dx of u power v is equals to u power v multiplied in the bracket v divided by u multiplied by u dash plus log u into v dash. So let us use that formula 2 times, here as well as here. X plus 1 by x to the power of x. Bracket is very important and compulsory. V by u. V means x divided by u means x plus 1 divided by x multiplied by u dash means differentiation of x plus 1 by x plus log of u means log of x plus 1 by x into v dash, that is differentiation of x. What this is we written on the basis of this formula for the first term, applying same formula for the second term also. X to the power 1 plus 1 by x, that is u power v multiplied by v by u means 1 plus 1 by x whole divided by x into u dash means differentiation of x plus log u means log x into differentiation of 1 plus 1 by x. Next step, x plus 1 by x to the power of x into bracket. Here LCM x into x, x square plus 1. At the same time, x goes to numerator, LCM x, x into x, x square. That divided by x of denominator goes to numerator, thereby it makes an x square. The total x square divided by x square plus 1 multiplied by differentiation of x 1, whereas differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Plus log x plus 1 by x differentiation of x here, because their v is x, plus log x plus 1 by x into differentiation of x is 1. So 1 you can omit, close bracket, plus next term x to the power 1 plus 1 by x multiplied by, here LCM x, x into 1 x into x become x square, that means x square plus 1 divided by x square into differentiation of x is 1, neglected, plus log x into, here differentiation of 1, 0, differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So another step we can continue. Now dy by dx equals to x plus 1 by x to the power of x into, here LCM x square into 1 x square, which become x square minus 1 divided by x square, and this divided by x square multiplied by x square, they will get cancel each other. So keep that in mind. LCM x square into 1 x square minus 1 divided by x square and into x square cancels. That overall term becomes x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x into 1 is neglected, plus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x multiplied into the bracket x square plus 1 by x square, and here minus into plus will become minus 1 by x square into log x. That's the final result. Next problem, under this present type of questions. In this present type of questions, logarithms not to be applied, directly formula, namely differentiation of u to the power of v must be applied. Next problem. If y equals to x into sin x whole to the power of x plus x into sin x whole power x plus tan inverse x to the power root x, then find dy by dx, then find dy by dx. Solution. First write given function at again. Consider given function, say it as 1. And again I remind and I tell you with a great warning, you need not apply logarithm in this case. Don't apply logarithms. Directly differentiate and use that related formula of differentiation of u to the power of v. Next step, write differentiating 1 with respect to x. On differentiating 1 with respect to x, left hand side dy by dx, right hand side, sum rule. In that first differentiation of x sin x to the power of x plus differentiation of tan inverse x to the power of x root x. Again, in these two cases we use the formula, namely using the formula. What formula it is there? dy dx of u raised to v, that is derivative of function to the power of function, defined by u raised to v into bracket v divided by u multiplied by u dash plus log u into v dash. So let us use this formula two times, here plus here. What we get? X into sin x to the power of x multiplied by v divided by u, means x divided by x into sin x, into derivative of u, means differentiation of x sin x, plus log of u, means log of x into sin x multiplied by v dash, that means differentiation of v, that means differentiation of x. So we applied this formula for this particular term. We also apply same formula for the next term. Here u value is tan inverse of x, v value is root x. Use this formula quite correctly. What we get is that tan inverse x to the power root x into the bracket v divided by u becomes root x divided by tan inverse x into u dash, means differentiation of tan inverse x plus log u, log of tan inverse x into v dash, that is differentiation of root x. Further, on continuation now. That is equals to x into sin x to the power of x multiplied in the bracket. Here xx cancels. 1 divided by sin x left. Or that can be written as a cosec x, no wrong in that. And here we need to apply product rule. First function x into differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus second function sin x into differentiation of x is 1 neglected, plus log of x into sin x multiplied by differentiation of x is 1. Plus tan inverse x to the power root x multiplied by root x divided by tan inverse x into differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square plus log of tan inverse x into we have the derivative of root x means 1 by 2 root of x. Or another step we can consider. Finally, so dy by dx equals to x into sin x to the power of x into bracket. Here 1 by sin x is multiplied to every term. As good as every term is get divided by sin x. Both are equal in meaning. So here x cos x by sin x means x into cot x plus sin x divided by sin x means it will cancel out 1 plus log of x sin x into 1 is neglected plus tan inverse x to the power root x multiplied into the bracket root x divided by tan inverse x into 1 plus x square plus log of tan inverse x whole divided by root x will be the final simplified answer. Still we have some more examples on this type. We shall meet in the next class. We shall continue next class.